Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Students, class 7th science. Students, we have discussed in earlier videos the balancing a chemical balance and how can we balance a chemical equation. So what is the criteria of the balancing a chemical equation? So you know now what is the criteria. So what will we do while balancing a chemical equation? First write the element name. First write the chemical name. Understand? And then write the number of the atoms in the reactants, that is LHS side, left hand side, and number of the atoms in the product RHS, right hand side. Now number of the atoms, we have taken the example of the magnesium oxide. When magnesium burns in the presence of oxygen, form magnesium oxide. So student, we have discussed earlier, first we will write the number of the atoms in the reactants also and product also. And we have discussed the magnesium, how many atoms are present in LHS side. You can see 1, and if we talk about here the 2. So we multiply the 2 in LHS side. You can see. So we have discussed earlier the balancing chemical equation is 2Mg plus O2 2Mg. Now student, there are the few examples how can you balance a chemical equation. So students, see, this is the example number 1. How can you balance? When sodium react with oxygen forms sodium oxide. So how can you balance? So now focus student. When sodium, what is the chemical formula of sodium? What is the chemical formula of sodium? Na. When sodium react with oxygen, sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. So what is the formula of sodium? Na plus O2 oxygen, sodium oxide, Na2O. So how can you balance this chemical equation? Now first you will see the number of atom in both sides. This is the reactants, this is the reactant, this is the product. Understand? So first write the element name. Name the element. Name the element and number of atom in LHS. Then number of atom RHS. So how many element in the reaction? Sodium and oxygen. Understand? Now the number of the element count. First we will count the sodium. How many element? There is 1 in LHS side. And in RHS side, how many atoms? 2. Na2. Now we will count the oxygen atom. 2 in LHS side, 2, and only here is 1. So how can you balance this equation? Because there is unbalanced. This is a unbalanced chemical equation. So first of all we will see this sodium only 1. Sodium only 1, and here the 2 and 1. So first of all we will see the, if we talk about this oxygen atom, there is a 2 atoms are there in LHS side. So what will we do for balancing? So here is the only 1. So student, first we take the oxygen. So 1 multiply 2. Then now set. So how many atom in LHS side? 2, and here is the only 1. So now we have multiplied the 2 into 1, then 2. So we will write the 2 here. Now you can see the how many atoms are oxygen in LHS side? 2, and here 2. Now student, we will see the atom of the sodium. Here is the 1, and now here is the listen student, you will multiply 2 to the 4. Here is the 4, but you will see that here is the only 1. So what will we do? If there is a 4 atom of sodium, now till now there is only one atom of sodium. So what will we do? You 1 multiply by 4. So we will write the 4. Understand? So this is the balance. Now again count. How many atoms are present in LHS side? Sodium 4. And here 2 2s are 4. Listen student, if you write this 2, listen, there is a sodium oxide, Na2O. This is the sodium oxide. Understand student? This is the sodium oxide. So sodium and oxygen. So how many atom of sodium? 2. Na2, only 2 atom. And oxygen only 1. If you write student, if you will write 2 here 2. So this 2 also for Na also and oxygen also. So first we will do 2 2s are 4, क्योंकि यहाँ पर सोडियम how many atoms are present? 2. तो 2 2s are 4, sodium 4, and oxygen how many atoms? 2, only 1. 2 1s are 2. Now like this you multiply both this 2. 2 2s are 4, and here is only one oxygen atom, so only 2 atom. So now you understand how can you balance a chemical equation. Now we can take example of a simple example. When hydrogen react with chlorine, this, see this, H2 plus Cl2, HCl. Now what will we do? You will write the first element name, H and Cl. This is the element. Now number of atom in LHS side, and now number of atom RHS side, RHS. So count the element, only hydrogen and chlorine in RHS side also. So number of count. So how many atoms are present in LHS side? 2, and only here is 1. Now chlorine, how many element? 2, and Cl only 1. So what will we do? First we will see the hydrogen. How many atoms are present in LHS side? 2, and here is 1. So what will we do? We multiply by 2. Now balance, we write here 2. Now you can see. Now you will see there is a 2 atom of chlorine, and there is also 2. So we will also multiply by 2. So 2 2. Now how many atoms? 4 are balanced. The number of atoms of hydrogen in LHS side 2, and here is also the number of atoms in RHS side also 2, and chlorine also number of the atom 2, and here is also number of the atom is 2. To balance, it is student, it is the according to the conservation of mass. You will study in higher classes about the how can you balance a chemical equation. So this is a simple easy way. First you write the element name, then count the number of atom in LHS side also and number of an RHS side, then multiply by any, if you need some 3 or 2, so you balance the atoms in both sided, then again count. Understand? If we take example of the another example of the 2Al plus Cl2, AlCl3. Now what will we do? First you will write the element name Al and Cl. Now number of the atom in LHS side, aluminium 1, and here is also 1. Chlorine here is 2, here is 3. So what will we do? Now you can say this is a very, you can say that it is difficult for you. So what will we do? There is 2 and 3. So how will you balance? There is a, you multiply by 3, 6, and you multiply with 2, 6. Oh yeah. In LHS side also 6, and here is a. So what will you do? In LHS side you will multiply by 3 and you multiply by 2. Now, so now you will see that number of the atoms in LHS side 6, and here is 6. 2 3s are 6. Now student, you will see that the number of atom in RHS side is 2, but in LHS side only 1. So what will we do? There is 2, now 2, here is only 1. So what will we do? Multiply by 2. Now we will write the 2a. Now this is the balanced chemical equation. 2Al plus 3Cl2 2AlCl3. Understand? So students, I hope you understand how can you balance a chemical equation. So first you will do these, how can you balance a chemical equation. In next video we will discuss again how can you balance the chemical equation. So I hope you understand. So first you will do, then if you have any problem, then you can send message ki ma'am again, and then I will explain again. Okay students, bye, take care.